once was a fairy that lived in this gorgeous tree castle. And one day, while she was in the castle high, she came tumbling down from the castle, crashing and burning to a near fated death. That poor fairy. Laying dead on the rail. Then once there was a prince. There was a prince who spotted the fairy laying on this rail. The prince nursed her back by sexual healing. Oh, give me that sexual healing. You may think that they were in love. They weren't. So the fairy came trundling back on her little fairy wings and dancing and prancing and singing and falling and dying because she's an asshole. So the prince went back to the poor young fairy, gave her a hand job, ate out the fairy's anus, and then they lived happily ever after. The end.